Hi, this is Neil Cole. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT's code interpreter to analyze data from Google Analytics 4. So click on here to go to the settings. Click on beta features and enable code interpreter. Then you close the window, go to ChatGPT 4 and click on code interpreter. This allows you to upload data files. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to upload some events from GA4. And then you can ask it to provide a set number of visualizations. I'll just paste this request in. So we're going to ask it to provide 4 data visualizations. Send that off. It then shows its workings out as it goes through the data. Sometimes it will ask questions. So it's worked out as 2 sets of data. Yeah, 2 data ranges, which is good. You sometimes do need to clean your data up when you download it from GA4. Make sure everything's actually a number rather than text. So it's going to do visualizations now. Tell me what it's going to do. Waiting for this bar chart. You can obviously give it more instructions as well. And once it's provided the visualizations, you can ask it to redo them. So it's done some different ones there, which is quite good. And it's just explaining what the bar charts are doing. So you've got one for event count. Event count's the second data range, then total users versus event count. And total users versus the second day range. So it's done 2 charts for each day range. Great. And that's you can obviously ask it to do more, but that's basically how you start using ChatGPT code interpreter for data visualizations. Hope you found that useful, and I hope you'll try it yourself. Thank you.